This is Kelvin foam. Very regular, like an egg crate or something like that. Hope it's regular enough. Let's try taking all the vertices and doing snap to microgrid. Strong is left, control plus R is weak. Okay, so left is strong. Left. Alright, let's try taking all faces and in setting. Oh, holy moly. Let's do it about like that. Okay, let's do something like couldn't find the palette. Let's do shell extrude normal, hit the tab key, 0, window, geometry graph, delete. Okay. I'm going to do a save as Kelvin bulk 1, and let's go to desktop, save. Let's get rid of this. Let's combine all that crap. Now, try something like selecting by short edges. Hopefully there aren't any really short edges, but let's or do select edges indented all. Select vertices. We'll do a move normal. Let's not go too far. We'll go about. Did I go too far already? I don't think so. Now, let's make sure there aren't any really short edges. How long is this edge? This edge is 0.8. Select, size constrained, 0.1. Okay. Oh, where are all these short edges? Those edges shouldn't even exist. That's not good, so what we're going to do is collapse those edges. Oh boy. Okay. Select the whole bulk again and all the vertices, and let's do snap to microgrid again, left. Let's do weld. Don't know if that weld is actually going to work. Okay, that's interesting. If you're not careful, those welds will definitely fail. let's select indented edges again. Select indented edges, all vertices. Now that we've welded things together, let's do, oh boy, no, let's do select by vertices with 5 or more. Okay, let's do move normal. Move normal some more. Alright, now let's do a test. There, testing the weldiness of our universe here. See if it's all happily welded or not. No, some things are not welded. Some things are definitely not welded. Okay. Looks problematic in here. This looks good. That's problematic over there. Let's do, yeah, something wrong over here. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, see, this looks bad. Let's do edit, undo, 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 undo. Okay. Ugh. I wonder if we got to select coincident faces and get rid of them. Select face mode, select face, coincident centers. Okay, 92 faces. Invert and stitches new manifold. No, no good. Yeah, see, we got a problem in here. What have we here? We got really short edge again? No. You got faces that just don't even match. See that? Snapping is not snapping well enough. Yuck. So these are the tricks you got to play in order to try and get stuff to match up.